Today we're making Chinese water bamboo shoots with oyster sauce stir fry. Not sure if you have seen this vegetable. Unlike regular bamboo shoots that grows in bamboo forest, water bamboo shoots grows in water in southern China. It's very popular over there. The texture of it is very soft, crunchy, and sweet. Once we're done preparing the water bamboo shoots, we needed to prepare some peppers, red ones or green ones. That way we can add some nice color to the dish presentation. What do you think? Water bamboo shoots has a lot of health benefits. It's good for weight loss and decreased cholesterol. Now back to the oyster sauce. As you can see, we mix everything in with the ingredients I listed, set aside. Cooking part is even simpler. Stir in diced garlic and chilies to fry for a minute before we add in sliced bamboo shoots. Now simmer it for 5 minutes or so until it becomes soft on medium heat. Mix in the sauce, that's it. Another way to cook water bamboo shoots will be with bacon or smoked pork belly. What do you think about these water bamboo shoots? Would you try? Let me know. Full recipe is in my bio link. Thank you for watching.